Today's topic of discussion is a very important one. Master, tell me about yourself. Right? It's one of the most common questions in the English language. Whether it's a new class or a new job, people always tend to ask this question. Sometimes it might feel a little intimidating, but don't worry. We're here to help you out. We'll make it simple, easy, and fun to learn.
Hi friends! Welcome to True Fluency Hub, where learning English is truly easy and fun. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Liam.
How are you today?
I'm great. So happy to be here. What about you?
I'm excited and ready for a brand new episode. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. It really helps us out. All right, let's get started. Liam, tell us a little about yourself.
I'm Liam, a history teacher. I love history. Old things always seem so fascinating to me. I really enjoy reading books. I have many of them at home. I also love walking in the park and having a cup of coffee.
Wow, Liam, you're a history teacher who loves reading, enjoys the park, and can't live without coffee. That's a great introduction. Now it's my turn. Let me tell you about myself. I'm Olivia, a nurse. Yes, it's a very important job. I love helping people. It makes me truly happy. When I'm not working, I love listening to music. Pop music makes me want to dance. I also enjoy cooking, especially pasta. It's easy to make and tastes so delicious. So, I'm Olivia, a nurse who loves music and cooking. Liam, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green, like the trees in the park.
And mine is blue, like the sky.
Olivia, do you like animals?
Yes, very much. I don't have any pets at home, but I really love dogs.
I have a cat named Luna. She's small, fluffy, and black and white.
Dogs are friendly and energetic, and cats are also sweet and funny. Let's talk about food now. Liam, what's your favorite food besides pasta?
I really like pizza. What about you, Olivia?
My favorite food is chocolate cake. Chocolate cake is perfect anytime. So, why are we here on the True Fluency Hub channel?
I love learning and teaching languages. I enjoy seeing people learn and grow. English is a universal language. It helps people get good jobs and achieve their dreams.
I love helping people too. And through this podcast, we're helping others reach their dreams. This is True Fluency Hub. Let's learn English together with joy, passion, and purpose.
The real key is to start with simple sentences. Say, I am a nurse, or I am a teacher. That's how you begin. Using easy and clear words helps you connect with others quickly and confidently. Remember, communication is not about using big words. It's about being understood. So start small, speak simple, and grow your confidence step by step. That's the goal of True Fluency Hub, helping you speak English naturally and easily. Let's practice as if it's our first meeting.
Hello, my name is Liam. What's your name? Hello, Liam. My name is Olivia. Nice to meet you. What do you do? I'm a nurse. And you? I'm a history teacher. Do you like your job? Yes, very much. I love teaching. I love my job too. That's it, a nice and simple conversation. Dear listeners, you can practice like this with your friends or even in front of a mirror. Confidence is very important. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Practice a little every day and you'll get better step by step. Here are some examples of what you can say about yourself. Your name. My name is Liam. Your job. I'm a nurse. Your likes. I like books. I like music. Your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Your pet? I have a cat. Your favorite food? My favorite food is chocolate cake. Your family? I have one sister. I have 2 brothers. These are very simple and beginner-level English sentences. Our goal at True Fluency Hub is to make English learning easy for everyone. Anyone can learn, you just need to start. So, start practicing now. Write about your name, your job, your likes, then say them out loud with confidence. We learned a lot today. I learned more about Olivia, and Olivia learned about me. Luna, chocolate cake, brothers and sisters, all fun facts. Time really flies. We hope today's episode was helpful for you. Be brave, be confident, and keep practicing. Before we go, a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to True Fluency Hub, give it a like, and share it with your friends. And here's today's special comment task. Write 1 or 2 sentences about yourself in the comments below. We'd love to know you. Thank you, everyone. Stay well, keep learning, and stay inspired. You can do it. See you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.